Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your SIM pin on the iPhone. So today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4 and it is going to work the same on the all iPhones. So let's go to settings and then go to the mobile service. Now you are going to find the option the SIM pin. And now, as you can see, you need to turn on the SIM pin to change your pin, because now you cannot change it. And what the SIM pin is and how it works, if you turn it off or turn it on, we have another video on our channel about that, so you can find it. Now, to turn on the SIM pin, you need to enter the pin that is the latest, just the pin for your SIM card. So in my case this is 1234, and now as you can see I can change the pin. So you're going to be asked for your current pin. Done. And now you are going to be asked for your new pin. So let's put maybe this one. And as you can see, you need to put the pin twice. Let's do it again. So current pin 128460, because I have changed to that 84, and now I need to put the new pin. So let's put 1234, then click done. Again, confirm new pin, so 1234 and done. And voila, this is how you can change your SIM pin. So again, current pin 1234, done, and now the new pin, and again a new pin. And this is it. This is how you can change a pin to your SIM card on the iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.